What if the biggest surprise of 2027 wasn't a Ferrari, wasn't a Rolls-Royce, and wasn't even a Tesla? What if it came from a name that most people associate with massive off-road trucks? Because the 2027 Hummer Majesty EV changes everything you thought you knew about Hummer. This isn't another oversized SUV. It isn't another electric pickup, and it certainly isn't trying to relive the past. Instead, it's imagining an entirely new future, one where Hummer transforms from an off-road icon into a luxury electric grand tourer, unlike anything else on the road. And honestly, that's a future I never expected to see. Welcome back to Luxury Cars Analysis, where we don't just review vehicles, we explore what they actually mean once they hit the road. And today's concept might be one of the boldest reinventions we've seen in years. The first thing that completely changes your expectations is the shape. Gone is the towering, military-inspired silhouette we've associated with Hummer for decades. In its place sits an elegant shooting brake body, long, low, sculpted, almost like an exotic grand tourer that accidentally wandered into the electric luxury segment. It looks powerful without looking bulky, athletic without looking fragile. The proportions alone make it impossible to ignore. Then you reach the front. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the nose, proudly illuminating the Hummer lettering. Slim, razor-sharp headlights blend seamlessly into an aggressively sculpted aerodynamic bumper. Everything feels cleaner, more refined, more futuristic. Yet somehow, it still feels unmistakably like a Hummer. That's not an easy balance to achieve. The side profile may be the most dramatic angle of all. Massive forged multi-spoke wheels fill every corner of the body, while the ultra-low ride height creates a stance that feels almost concept car perfect. Flush door handles disappear completely into the bodywork. The smooth underbody improves aerodynamic efficiency, and then the doors open. Not outward, upward. Gullwing doors transform every arrival into an event. Even getting in and out becomes part of the experience. It's the kind of design that guarantees people stop and stare. Walk toward the rear and the drama continues. Another full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, complete with animated welcome and departure sequences that make the vehicle feel alive. Instead of shouting for attention, the Majesty EV quietly commands it. Here's my first question for you. Do you like this bold new direction for Hummer? Or should the brand stay focused on rugged off-road SUVs and trucks? I'd genuinely love to hear your opinion because this concept completely changes the conversation. But if the exterior is unexpected, the interior is even more surprising. Open those dramatic gullwing doors and you're welcomed by an environment that couldn't be more different from traditional Hummers. Premium white leather covers nearly every seat, creating an atmosphere that's clean, modern, and unmistakably luxurious. Soft touch materials flow across the cabin alongside brushed aluminum finishes that add just the right amount of contrast. Ambient LED lighting quietly traces the dashboard and doors, changing the mood without overwhelming the space. The front seats are beautifully minimalist. Integrated headrests create a floating appearance while maintaining exceptional comfort. And thanks to the dedicated electric platform beneath the vehicle, the cabin feels astonishingly spacious. The extended wheelbase and completely flat floor transform rear passenger comfort. Legroom is generous. Movement inside the cabin feels effortless. Above it all sits a panoramic glass roof that floods the interior with natural light, making the entire space feel even larger than it already is. The result isn't simply a luxury cabin, it's a luxury lounge. The dashboard embraces that same philosophy. One enormous curved digital display stretches gracefully across the front of the cabin, seamlessly combining the driver's instruments with infotainment and vehicle controls. Everything appears integrated. Nothing feels cluttered. Technology isn't competing for your attention. It's quietly supporting the experience. And that's exactly what modern luxury should feel like. AI becomes your digital companion throughout every journey. It learns your preferred routes, your favorite music, climate settings, charging habits, even the way you drive. The more time you spend with the vehicle, the more personalized it becomes. Augmented reality navigation projects information in a way that's both intuitive and futuristic. while wireless smartphone integration keeps your digital life connected without cables. But when it's time to relax, the premium 3D surround sound system transforms the cabin into a private concert hall. Over-the-air software updates ensure the vehicle continues evolving long after you've driven it home. Honestly, do you prefer futuristic, minimalist interiors like this? Or do you still enjoy traditional buttons and physical controls? Let me know below, because the luxury world seems to be moving rapidly in this direction. Now, let's talk about what happens when you press the accelerator. Because despite all this elegance, the Majesty EV still remembers the Hummer name. Power comes from a tri-motor all-wheel drive system, producing an estimated 1,000 horsepower. That's an astonishing number. But even more impressive is how that power is delivered. 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, in a luxury shooting brake. Think about that. This isn't supposed to be a lightweight supercar, yet it accelerates like one. Torque vectoring intelligently distributes power between the wheels, while adaptive air suspension constantly adjusts ride height and damping to match both the road and your driving style. The result is something remarkably versatile, comfortable enough for long-distance touring, sharp enough to enjoy a winding mountain road, and composed enough to make every drive feel effortless. The battery technology is equally ambitious. A next-generation Ultium battery is estimated to provide more than 450 miles of driving range. That means fewer charging stops and greater confidence on longer journeys. When charging is needed, ultra-fast DC capability can reportedly add around 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. That's the kind of convenience that makes electric grand touring genuinely practical. Safety receives the same forward-thinking treatment. Level 3 autonomous driving capability allows the vehicle to take over certain driving tasks in supported conditions. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a full 360-degree camera system all work together to make every journey feel safer and less stressful. But perhaps the most remarkable achievement of the Hummer Majesty EV isn't any single feature. It's the transformation itself. This concept doesn't abandon Hummer's identity. It evolves it. Strength becomes elegance. Capability becomes refinement. Presence becomes sophistication. Even practicality hasn't been forgotten. The shooting brake design provides generous cargo space, while fold-flat rear seats make the vehicle surprisingly versatile for everyday life. It's a luxury grand tourer that doesn't ask you to sacrifice usefulness. And maybe that's exactly what the future of premium electric vehicles should look like. One final question before we wrap up. If this concept entered production tomorrow, would you choose it over the Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo, the Audi RS e-tron GT, or even a Tesla Model S Plaid? Tell me your pick in the comments, because I think Hummer has created something nobody saw coming. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and support Luxury Cars Analysis for more premium automotive content. Because sometimes, the most exciting future isn't built by the brands you expect. It's built by the ones bold enough to reinvent themselves completely.